everyone. Each student in a class of 30 studies one foreign language and one science. The students' choices are shown in the table. Now we're going to answer about 6 questions based off this event. And we're talking about probability of events occurring together. So the first question is, find the probability that a randomly chosen student studies chemistry. So basically what you're doing here is we have 8 of 30 that study chemistry. So that's going to be probability of chemistry equals 8 divided by 30, which equals 4 divided by 15 if you reduce it. All right. Okay, so then we're going to do B. Find the probability that a randomly chosen student studies chemistry given, and there's that given word. That means we're going to be using this formula in here, or this one right here, that the student studies French. So basically, we have 14 students who study French. So basically, the way we're going to do that, we have 7 that study chemistry. So basically, we have the probability of chemistry given that they studied French equals in the number of the chemistry and French divided by the number of French. So that's going to be 7 divided by 14. There's your 2 numbers, which reduces to 1/2. All right. Now it says, are the events student studies chemistry and students study French independent? All right. So basically, we can look at part A and B to look at this. Parts A and B show that probability of chemistry given French does not equal probability of chemistry. So the event student studies chemistry and student studies French are not independent. If they were independent, then these would equal, given rule 2. All right, and now let's look at D. Find the probability that a randomly chosen student studies Spanish. So that one's going to be the probability of Spanish. So that's going to be 16. Let's look at Spanish. 16 divided by 30. And that's going to equal 8 divided by 15. All right, let's look at the next one. Find the probability that a randomly chosen student studies biology given that the student studies Spanish. So for that one, we're doing the probability of the student studies biology given that the student studies Spanish. So the way you do that is you're going to just do 9. That's what you're choosing there. Divided by 16. Because that equals, this equals probability of B. All right. Now it says, are the event studies Spanish and the events studies biology independent? And the answer to that's going to be probability of biology equals 12 divided by 30, and that equals 6 divided by 15. The probability of biology given Spanish, that equals 9 divided by 16. Since probability of biology does not equal probability of biology given Spanish, the events are not independent. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.